Hello guys, welcome to my channel Fabricate Doll. In my channel, you will see a lot of details to transform your doll. It's about their dressing and it's about their makeover and also their hairstyling.
But
I
I've
just
known you
want to
too
tell
long,
you,
it
I
hurts to
love doing
watch
this
your
in my
blue
leisure
eyes
time.
fade
What
to
do you
gray
guys do? Can
as
you
you
just
fade
please drop a
away.
comment and let me know what type of topics you would have, and if
As
you'd
you
like my
fade
videos or not,
away.
you can just comment in the comment section and drop a suggestion as well.
Yeah,
I
I'm
would
about
love
to
to
fade
have
away. Cause
you.
every
Enjoy the
time I
video.
wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I've